Hello there, today in the script I'm going to be showing you how to use while loops. So, while loops are basically a loop that can run for infinity. So I'll show you how to use them. So first, add in a part and add in a script to that part, so just so we can test it. Okay, so to create a while loop, we start with while, and then we write the conditional, which is usually true, to make it go for infinity, and then we write do. So basically, every time the code in this loop finishes, it checks if this condition is still true, which, because it's the true keyword, it's always going to be true, and it does that code again if it's true, otherwise it stops. So I talk more about conditions in the if statements video script, so you can watch that if you want to know more about these conditions. But so basically, you have to add a wait into your loop, otherwise it won't work and it'll give you an error saying that the loop is burnt out. And that's because what used to happen is it used to crash your computer. But now luckily this error stops it from happening, but that's why you need this wait. Otherwise your loop will not work. I usually keep mine at 0.1. I'll explain more about these in a different script, but anyways, so you can just add a print message and showing your loop is working. And if you click run, you'll see in the output that this message will appear quickly. And that is how while loops work. You can put any code into the while loop, which I talk about in other script bits. Bye, and thanks for watching. See you in the next script bit.